How you doing? So Daltile came out with a porcelain replacement for slate. A couple of nice key factors of the replacement for slate is that our standard 9mm tile is only 535 pounds a square. So that basically can go on any standard roof that handles 3 courses of shingles.
Okay.
The product itself is 22 by 11. It's a double coursed product that gets installed with a slip sheet underneath it for the extra water displacement.
Yep.
It's a Class A fire resistant. It's Class 3 hail resistant. And the color scale on the xenon is non-existent over 50 years. So this will look the same way it's put down 50 years from now color-wise.
Okay.
It's a lifetime transferable warranty on the product.
If you ever had to replace one,
You do is if this tile had to be replaced, you would break the tile out
Yeah.
over here.
Yeah.
You would sawzall out the fastener, and then you would use a slate nail or a slate hook to put the new replacement in.
Okay. And what's its resistance to, say, hail?
This is a Class 3 hail resistant tile.
Okay. Which means
It means almost a 2-inch hail ball will
Wow.
expand a 2-inch hail ball. Also, there's 145 mile an hour wind rated,
Yeah.
and it has the Miami date approval as of last week.
Okay. And then it comes in different color options.
So this is what we call our antique.
Yeah.
Okay, our Vermont green, our standard gray, our Virginia black. We also have a white tile like we use on the southeast and the shore. It's also available in an espresso. And our other version, which we just came out with, this is our shake.
Oh, I see. Awesome. Well, Joe, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.